Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be getting into making another shag jacket. As you can see, I have on this black, dang, I'm trying to figure out what the name for it is. Anyways, I'll think about it later, but if you know, got my little shell. I'm gonna call this my shell for right now. And what I'm gonna add the little yarn to, but this is what it is. Let me pull y'all down some so y'all can see. This is what it is. It has a little gold hardware on it, and it's gonna like crop some like right there. So it's going to be open. If I wanted to, I can add like either some yarn here or some type of string or something that will tie this together like this. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not. I might, just in case I want to close it. But anyways, it's long sleeve. I have a little event that I have to go to. Well, I don't have to go to, but that I'm going to. So yeah, I wanted to make me a shag jacket that's black because I'm going to be wearing all black. But I'm going to take you guys along with me whenever I do go to that. Anyways, let's get into this video so y'all can watch me turn this in to a shag jacket. Let's get into it. Okay, so y'all should already know by now how we get into this, but I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate it for y'all a little bit. I like standing up at times while doing this so I can give my back a break, because if you're sitting down for a long time, it's just gonna have your back hurting. So let's go ahead and get into this. So first things first, you're gonna take this. Let me see, where do I want to start? Well, anyways, you're going to take this, you're going to push that through. You're going to take your yarn, and you're just going to grab that, pull through like that, and just tie it. You want to kind of get it the same length. At times it's not going to go like that, but you know how it goes. So we're just going to do that again. There's no specific way on how to go about this. You just got to go with however you feel the need to do that. So there's no specific pattern or anything. You just go ahead and bust it out this way. So let's go ahead and get this started. Y'all already know I'm finna speed y'all up so y'all can watch the process.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. the scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. No woman that can take your spot, my love. Spot, my love. My if I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't.
Alright, y'all, so I do have the front completed. This is how it looks so far. I am really liking it. And this is the back, so we have to complete the back and then the arms. But this is how the front is looking. Like I said it before, I don't know if I'm gonna leave it like this or if I'm gonna have like maybe some chains or something going across. I mean, either way, I can add something later or, you know, add it now and take it off, however it is that I'm feeling. But yeah, this is how it's looking so far. So yeah, that's how it's looking so far.
Baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene? And wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, and you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.